Imagine standing next to an owl in flight. You'd hear absolutely nothing. While other birds' wings create distinct whooshing sounds, owls are nature's stealth bombers, capable of completely silent flight. But that's not even their most incredible feature. These nocturnal hunters possess an engineering marvel that took NASA years to understand. Their wing feathers have unique serrated edges and velvet-like surfaces that eliminate turbulence, making them virtually undetectable to prey. A mouse never knows what's coming until it's too late. But here's what makes owls truly extraordinary: their ears aren't even symmetrical. One ear sits higher than the other, creating a three-dimensional sound map that can pinpoint prey's location with surgical precision, even through snow or complete darkness. It's like having a built-in GPS system that operates without satellites. If you're fascinated by nature's incredible designs, hit subscribe and leave a comment below about which animal you'd like to see featured next. What if owls could teach us to build completely silent aircraft? Something to think about until our next adventure.